Well, you wanted to do a double take with the kind of global cues that we saw yesterday, and indeed our markets are piggybacking on that. So after seeing a terrific rally across the US as well as Asia, awaiting still the US presidential election outcome, our markets have got off to a rip-roaring start, to put it mildly. 12,000 on the screens as we started off with a solid 1% gain in today's trading session. In the green for the Sensex as well, up by a solid 500 points. And mind you, the broader markets too are participating very smartly in this rally. So the mid and the small cap indices as well holding out by a solid 1%. That market breadth too skewed firmly in favor of the gaining side. And gains being seen across the board when it comes to individual sectors as well. In fact, all sectors are trading in the green this Thursday morning. It's led by PSU banks, top sectoral gainer up 3%. The Nifty bank index 440 points on that. IT, metals, real estate as well as FMCG all contributing on the upside. Interesting movers then on the frontline index, and you've got gains coming in for 48 out of 50 stocks today. So powering through, led by SBI, posted solid numbers as well as brokerages giving it a big thumbs up. HCL Technologies in the green by about 3%. Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank, Hindalco as well as ICICI Bank at 444 looking good. UPL finally seeing some reprieve. Reliance Industries as well joining the party at 1940. TCS, GAIL, Wipro, Eicher Motors, HUL, those are some of the other outperformers. While on the flip side, Hero Moto a little bit subdued in trade as well as Titan on the back foot. To some of the newsmakers then, and indeed SBI a solid mover in today's trading session, and that's largely on the back of a strong set of numbers as well as the fact that brokerages across the board are giving this one a solid thumbs up. Across the board you've got brokerages which have maintained a buy rating. CLSA a buy with a target price of 330. HPCL continues to remain in focus as well on the back of its numbers. They also approved a buyback of about 2,500 crore rupees. CLSA has a buy rating with a target of 225 on that stock. Jubilant Life, another result reaction. United Spirits reacting to numbers. Steady gains being seen for SRF, Apollo Tyres, KEC International as well as Pidilite, all have put out a pretty strong set of quarterly numbers. On the flip side, Indian Hotels, ENIL, Gati, it's been a bit of a weak set of numbers and the stocks are duly reacting. Also check in on Inox Leisure and PVR. They're both active in trade today yet again, as you do have the Maharashtra cinemas which have allowed the opening of the cinema halls with 50% capacity starting today. Watch out for a whole host of earnings reactions today. Godrej Consumer, ABB and Container Corp. But for now, smart gains across the markets.